start by making the coffee concoction. I have warm water and coffee. Let's mix it together. Give it a stir and keep it aside. Let's start by taking room temperature butter. See, it should be soft, not liquidy, and whip it until light and fluffy. Scrape in between once and you can whip it again. Now we are going to add icing sugar in 3 batches. Make sure to scrape in between. Now the second batch and then repeat the same. And now in goes the final batch. Now a final mix. Once you achieve this consistency, you can now add your coffee concoction and give it a final mix. Mix it gently with a spatula first. And you can see the creamy texture it already has. So now start whipping it again. Can you see the consistency, how it's holding beautifully? And scrape once and one final whip. But before that, you can add in a tad bit of salt to enhance the taste. Adding salt, give it a mix and a final whip. This is how it looks. So your silky, soft, smooth mocha buttercream is ready for desserts, mocha cakes, fillings, frostings. Do give it a try and let us know how you liked it. So I filled up my piping bag now and let's do some rosette, some swirls, star, and some more piping. Super stable frosting for you.